Hey guys, Nathan here. Welcome to In the Sticks and welcome to Captain's Career Course in my bedroom. So, in case you've been wondering where videos have been these last couple weeks, I have been in my bedroom here studying Army doctrine because thank you to COVID-19, even the Army has moved online. But I gotta tell you, there's definitely perks to this. I mean, I may or may not be sitting in my running shorts right now. I definitely would not be sitting in my running shorts right now. But I bet you there's others out there, not me, that are sitting in their running shorts behind their computer. But you gotta wonder, I mean, come on. Of all the things COVID-19 has led to, is anyone ever going to want to go back to work in pants? I mean, it's a perk. One of the other perks, despite kids running around the house making noise while you're trying to hold a teleconference with people, I still get to sleep in my bed at night. I still get to kind of roam around the yard in the afternoon with the limited time I have. But I'm at home. I didn't have to travel down to San Antonio, so I'm very, very happy about that. Other than that, unless you want to learn about Army doctrine, put something in the comments below. I have nothing to tell you. I just thought I would kind of check in, say hello, and for those of you wondering why I'm not talking about cheap Jeeps or pigs, that's why. So, hey, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time when I'm out of this green uniform here and back into my t-shirt and running shorts outside and doing fun stuff. Take care. Thanks for watching.